An intro?
Yeah.
Will we do?
Okay. An intro. This is an intro. This is my usual intro where I'm fixing it before we start the video.
Aye.
Might change a habit of a lifetime.
I know.
So we've got the VR6 out. We're taking for a wee run. Just do some running stuff. Probably won't do any quarters till I'm happy. But so far it seems to be behaving itself, so I'll just need a screwdriver. Keep fucking about till it goes down in a straight line.
Aye.
In one piece.
So 10 seconds, first time out.
Well, let's try it. We'll see. It might not. To be honest, it might not even do a full quarter. I don't know what the boost will do. We'll have to see, I guess.
Will we ask him if he wants his engine or we can borrow it?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, man. We'll see what I like.
Yep.
Do a full. I might let off towards the end though. I'll just see how it goes. I really want to send it a full fucking send and you know, kill the piston or something because it's cylinder one is hot. I think it's just EGT hot.
VR6s. They do sound lovely. Woohoo! 4.3.
Bonnet 133. get 137s.
Stock pistons, boy! There's only 1.2 bar up the top end, baby, so I need to fucking sort that out.
Happy?
We have boost control now, eh?
Absolutely flatlined the fucker.
Boom, straight on.
Smashed.
It's on 5
Value's too high.
It's on 5 jams.
Right, well, what can I say about today? We turned up after building this engine and this whole car in 4 days, and we come off the trailer, and I don't want to be too cocky with this, but we come off the trailer, first run, fastest car of the day, second run, 10.0 flat. So we're relatively low boost just now, 1.4 or 1.5 bar I think it was. I'll need to check over the data log, but it felt fucking fast. It lit up the wheels at the beginning, and yeah, it did catch grip, and then we managed to hit the that was a touch of a oh, and it's a good 3 mil. So back in the trailer now, the car drove in the trailer, the engine seems healthy, like there's not been any issues with the engine. I need to sort the breather setup on it because it fills the catch can very fast. The reason for it is because the timing chain off the back of the engine is just slinging oil into the breather setup, so I'll make a better version of that, some sort of separator or something to try and separate the oil from the air. But, other than that, it's on the trailer, it's going back home again, going to the garage. And I'm probably starting making modifications to fit the bigger turbo.
First you need a nap.
Yes. Yeah, I probably do need a nap. I'm absolutely fucked. I'm living on Monster right now. But yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing. But thanks to everyone, Andy for filming, Jacob for being my mechanic today as well, and everyone that came along to see the car along Crail Raceway. And I hope you guys enjoyed the footage and everything. Right guys, catch you later on.